de-escalate the situation, but let's not
Oh,
make
he's
this a big
the
deal.
aggressor. Can you ask him?
I'm not the aggressor here, buddy.
Dude, what are you recording me for?
Because I have family members who've died from COVID, bud, and you don't seem to care.
Bro, this isn't social distancing. Okay? You're actually disrespecting me because you're in my space.
Did you just walk up to me?
Yeah.
Because I didn't take a step.
Yeah, I did. So protect yourself.
Go make yourself
You
famous.
need to get the fuck out of our space. Like, seriously, back off.
Why don't you stay home?
You're going to be staying home now because I got COVID. You're going to get sick.
Sweet. Nice.
They're disgusting and insensitive.
It's all good. It's all good.